And so when is an optimal time to get into a market for a development project? Is it after it's already been growing for a while, like after proving it? Like, tell me about that.
No, so there is, and I'll give some insights into probably the same processes that you're doing, but from a state government perspective, they do billions of dollars worth of research to say, well, where do we need to put hospitals? Where do we need to put roads? Where do we need to put schools? All that sort of thing. So they determine where is that population growth going and where are they going to spend those billions of dollars. And they push those demographics down to the local governments and say, hey, local government, you need to determine how you're going to deal with this. So we can identify those growth zones based on what the state government is doing and where they're pushing it. And they dictate 20 and 30-year plans as to where they're pushing people to go. Then the local government may or may not have the resources to deal with that straight away. So we look at the capability of that local government and say, well, what's your strategic plan to actually deal with this? And whether or not they've got the mechanisms in place to say, well, this is the growth areas and the corridors and all that sort of stuff. And then we look for evidence that someone else has done it before us, because we don't want to be pioneers in the market. Okay, if it's
Why?
plenty of time, plenty of room for the big boys to do that. I want to be the guy that comes in after the big boys have set the scene. They've proven the price points, and we've usually got a 5 to 10 year window inside an area where somebody has gone and broken ground and proven the point, and we can farm in that area for 5 to 10 years, and we want to get out before the last person turns the lights off.
What do you mean before the last person turns the lights off?
Well, the market moves constantly, so we're making sure that we get out before the demand disappears.
Okay, so you're basically getting in pre growth, right? Is that fair to say?
I'm going to say at the early stages of the growth.
Okay.
So you're probably seeing the evidence of my guys getting in there.